This is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer showing you a 2013 Terex TSV60 skid steer loader that we have for sale here at Texas Skid Steer. It's a 60 horsepower machine. It has just a little over 500 hours on it. Has a really good set of tires on it. Really good running machine. Just clean all the way around. All original. Hasn't been touched up. I mean, it's just super nice machine. Joystick controls, auxiliary hydraulics. I mean, it runs like a top. I'm gonna hand the camera over to my wife and while I demonstrate it for you. Notice that it not only has the auxiliary controls, but it also has the electrical outlet for them. I'm gonna get in it and run it around a little bit for you. Got a real nice blade on it, real nice cutting edge. Has a quick change on the bucket. You just flip up 2 levers. The bucket comes right off and let your toes go on or on there, whatever. You run just about any attachment. Starts right up. Hydraulics with the electrical outlet, quick change bucket, just a really nice machine, well priced. You can see all our machines by clicking the link below right there. No, quit looking at me, look below the video and you'll see a link that goes to our website, texasskidsteer.com, where you can see all the machines that we have for sale. Look right out there below the video. Click on it. Go to our website. We ship machines all over the United States. Have fully insured shipping. Give me a call. 817-726-7082.